you tell me what animals live on the farm? Con gì sống ở nông trại nhỉ? The dragon? No. So what animals live on the farm? Oh, cow. Very good. And what else? Oh, chicken. Do you have a farm? Do you have a farm? Nhà con có nông trại không? Okay. So what about you, Minh Ngọc? What animals live on the farm? What about you? Oh, a goat. You know, what does a goat say? What does a goat say?
Me on.
Me. Oh, it's a duck. So what does a duck say? Kokururu. No, it says quack quack, right? And what other animals you can find on the farm? Còn con gì ở nông trại nữa nhỉ? Ở Việt Nam á. Có về nông thôn bao giờ chưa? Have you ever visited a farm? Con đã từng tham quan một nông trại nào chưa? Ở nhà bạn nào có trang trại không? Right? What animals you can find on the farm? Chicken, duck, ostrich. Okay. Ostrich. Not pig. Pig. Okay. Now, look at the board. Today we are going to learn some new words. They are animals on the farm. Okay. Now, I say on the farm. Farm. You know farm? Nông trại. Okay. Now, listen to me first. Do you know the meaning of these words? Con hiểu nghĩa của những từ này không? Any new words here? So you know the bee. Very good. The bees make honey. Con ong làm gì? Làm mật, right? And buffalo. You know buffalo? Oh, that's correct. The buffalo works on the farm. Con trâu nó làm việc ở đâu? On the field, on the farm. Okay. And it's got 4 legs. Có mấy cái chân? 4 legs. And it's got 2 horns. 2 cái gì?
2 cái sừng.
Okay. Is it strong? Is it strong? Có khỏe không? Yes, it's very strong. Is it big? Big? Yes, it is. Okay. The next one is a goat. What is a goat? Đức Minh, what is a goat? A con dê. What does a goat say? What does the goat say? Can you say that again? Again? That's right. And okay, what can you have from the goat? And where do they live? Sống ở đâu nhỉ? They live on the farm. Sống ở nông trại. And what do you have from the goat? Or what does the goat provide? Con dê nó cho mình cái gì nhỉ?
Thịt và lông.
Yeah, thịt, lông gì nữa? Sữa. Milk. Okay. Do you like goat meat? Bạn nào thích ăn thịt dê không? Yeah. Okay, what about you? Do you like goat meat? Oh, I like it too. It's tasty, right? Rất ngon. Horse. You know the horse? The horse say nee. It's got 4 legs. You know 4 legs? 2 legs, right? And the horse got 4 legs. 4 cái chân. Okay. And you can ride the horse, right? Horse. Con gì đấy?
Ngựa.
Of course, right? And the next one is the sheep. You know the sheep? Con gì? Con cừu. Okay. What does the sheep provide? Con cừu cho chúng ta cái gì nhỉ? Lông này. The wool. Meat. What else? Milk. And the next one, pig. Pig. What does a pig say? Does it say meow? Does it say meow? So what does it say? What does a pig say? Does a pig say woof woof? No. So what does it say? Oh, that's why. Can you make it louder? To lên nào. Oh, correct. Now, can you sound the pig? Louder. Cannot hear you. Okay, what about you? What does the pig say? I cannot hear you. What does the pig say? What does the pig say? Oh, good. Louder. So the pig says, oink, oink, oink. Okay. I lived on the farm earlier and we got lots of pigs on the farm. We also have chicken, ostrich, dogs, and what else? And dogs, right? We got lots of animals on the farm. Sit down, please. Now, I point you the word and you have to say the word very, very fast, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Good.
B.
A little bit slow. I want you to do it faster. Can you? Hơi chậm. Cô muốn các bạn đọc nhanh hơn được không? And louder, okay? One more time. Pig.
Buffalo. Goat. Bee.
Horse.
Sheep.
Not S. Sheep. Pig.
Buffalo. Bee.
Goat.
Bee.
Horse.
Sheep.
What?
Sheep.
Pig.
Sheep. Buffalo. Bee. Goat. Bee. Buffalo. Horse. Sheep. Pig.
New words. Good job. Now, here are sentences for today's lesson. Câu của bài học ngày hôm nay. So, now I want you to look at the flashcard first. Okay? Now, we learn how to read it later. Look at here. Look at here. Now, what is this? It's a duck, right? What is it?
Fish.
It's a fish. So, is it a duck?
No.
No. Are you sure? No. Okay, is it a fish? No. Is it a duck?
Yeah.
Yes. So we say, yes, it is. Okay, yes, it is. And we say it fast, yes, it is. Okay. Is it a duck? A bee? Yes, it is. Only look at the answer. Chỉ nhìn vào đáp án thôi, câu trả lời thôi. Yes, it is. Okay. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay. Now, is it a duck? Yes or no? Yes, it is. Okay, faster. Is it a duck?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Not the animal I'm talking about. You say, no, it isn't. Okay? No, it isn't. Can you say that? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. One by one. Now, so first sentence you say no, it isn't, and then you say the animal. Okay? Example. Ví dụ này. Is it an ant? No, it isn't. It's a pig. Okay? Okay? Một lần nữa nào. Is it a bee?
It is a bee.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Is it a duck?
Is it a duck?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
It's a fish.
It's a fish.
Very good. Now I want you to practice speaking. Ask your friends, okay? Now I'm going to give you some flashcards and you will ask your friend, okay? Look at the board. Nhìn lên bảng nào. Answer my questions. Look at the words here. Is it a bee?
Yes, it is.
Is it a buffalo?
Yes, it is.
Is it a goat?
Yes, it is.
Is it a horse?
Yes, it is.
Is it a sheep?
Yes, it is.
Is it a pig?
Yes, it is.
Louder, to lên nữa nhá. It's a buffalo.
Yes, it is.
Yes,
Yes,
it is.
it is.
Is it a bee?
Yes, it is.
I cannot hear you.
Yes, it is.
I cannot hear you.
Yes, it is.
Is it a goat?
Yes, it is.
Is it a horse?
Yes, it is.
It is.
It is.
Is it a sheep?
Yes, it is.
Is it a pig?
Yes, it is.
Is it a bee?
Yes, no.
No, it isn't. It's a.
Buffalo.
Is it a buffalo?
No.
No, it isn't. It's a
Bear.
bee. Is it a horse?
No, it isn't. It's a goat.
Is it a goat?
No, it isn't. It's a horse.
Wow, very good. Is it a bear?
No, it isn't.